Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this powerful flat tummy crusher. My name is Sandra Eze. In this channel, I'll be sharing lots and lots of healthy natural drinks made from fruits and vegetables that will be beneficial to your body. Also, some yummy and delicious Nigerian meal plus kitchen tips that you will love to learn. So if you're stumbling on this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you find it helpful, turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload new video. Thank you. I love you all. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. For this recipe, I'll be using honey, ginger, lime, celery for decoration, and lemon. Lemon has a lot of health benefits. It supports heart health. It helps control weight. It prevents kidney stones. It protects against anemia. It reduces cancer risks and also improves digestive health. This ingredient put together is very good when you want to crush that stubborn belly fat, guys, that has refused to go. So ginger is very good. Ginger is very good for the health. It is good for cold. It is good for cough. It is good for digestive health also. And then lime is a good recipe for weight loss. You can decide to use lime or lemon, but for me, I love combining the two together to get a massive results. So if you don't have honey, that is fine. If you don't have honey, it's totally fine. So I decided to use honey because I'm an ulcer patient. Honey is very good for ulcer patients. It has a great healing properties. It heals wounds. So you can decide to chew your celery, but it's totally optional. Or you either blend it however you like it. It is perfectly okay. So celery is also good. Celery is very good for hydration. It is so good for hydration, especially if you blend it or you chew it anyhow you like it. It is totally fine, but just know that for this recipe today, celery is totally optional. So let's get started, guys. So guys, I've already prepared all my ingredients. Sorry, I didn't get to show you all the processes, but I'll explain every bit of it. This is my ginger water. I washed it and scraped it thoroughly. If you're washing it, please make sure you wash it very well. I used a grater to grate it and then I sieved it, and this is what I've got. So this is my lemon and lime juice. You can see it. I cut it into half and squeezed out the juice. This is my 2 tablespoons of honey. I'll be using this sliced lemon for decoration. First off, this is a glass of warm water. You don't have to make yours full because you will need to make, like, you need to add all the ingredients together in the glass cup. So after mixing everything together, you go ahead and take it first thing in the morning and before bedtime for a maximum result, especially if you know that you have a very stubborn tummy fat that has refused to go away. You have to take it twice daily. First thing when you wake up in the morning and last thing when you go to bed for a maximum result, guys. So I'll just go ahead and mix everything together in my glass cup. First off, this is my ginger juice. I'll go ahead and stir it for you guys to see. I'll just go ahead and pour it inside right now. So I'll be adding my lemon and lime juice to my glass cup and also my honey. Like I said, honey is totally optional. This is 2 tablespoons of honey. It is totally optional. It is best for ulcer patients. If you have ulcer, go ahead and use honey, please. You don't have to drink this without adding honey if you know that you're an ulcer patient. So I'll just go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of honey in my glass cup. So guys, as you can see, I've finished adding it. I'll just go ahead now and stir it properly so that you are sure that you've gotten all the mixtures together. So I'm just going ahead, I'm just stirring it for proper results. I'm stirring it vigorously, guys, as you can see. You really need to stir it so you can mix it properly. This drink is so good for if you want to burn down that stubborn tummy fat that has refused to go away. This drink is so good. It is so good, guys. So I'll go ahead now and fix in my sliced lemon for decoration. And remember, guys, I told you that you want to add your celery. It is either you blend it or you chew it. Mine, I love chewing it. After drinking the juice, I'll just chew it. So if you know you can't tolerate it, you can't chew it, just go ahead and blend it and add it while you're mixing all your ingredients together. So guys, I'm glad to teach you this powerful tummy crusher drink. Try as much as possible to get it done. Like, you want to crush that tummy fat, just mix this drink, get your ingredients. They are very simple ingredients that you can get in your local store or in the markets. Go ahead and mix it. Tell me how it went in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, guys. Bye.